So these are the support plates. I put them in, and then these are those bolts. I'm just hand tightening them. I noticed that the holes are bigger than the diameter of the screws, but that's okay because it looks like the screws fit into the extreme ends of these extended holes, so I'm sure that it's by design. And I'm sure these holes would probably be aligned with the holes on the top of those wood panels. So that's one side, and I can probably adjust these screws and this slide this accordingly if those don't fit. So I'm not tightening this right now, and then I'll finish the other side. And I'll continue the video after I attach this side.